In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 4 Cisco commands that I configure on every router and switch before I start working on a packet tracer lab. This command will make your life a lot easier by eliminating some of the most common frustration you will face when working with the Cisco CLI. Let's get started. The first problem happens when we make a simple typing mistake. For example, instead of typing enable, I will do a mistake, and as we can see, the router is not immediately telling me that the command is wrong. Instead, it is trying to translate what I typed into a host name using DNS. So I will accelerate a bit the process, and let's fix that first problem. We will enter the global configuration mode using conft, and now we will enter the command noip domain-lookup. Let's try again. And now we can start typing directly without having to wait few minutes. The second command solves another small but annoying problem. While configuring a device, Cisco can generate system messages. For example, here there is a native VLAN misconfiguration between the two switches on the trunk. So let's go on D2, and here you can see one of those messages. The problem is that when you are typing a command, this message can pop up. You see here I was about to type configure terminal and the message came in between. The fact is you can still type the command and it will work just fine, but sometimes it can be a bit tricky to see what you are typing, especially when you type a longer command. So you will fix this problem by entering the configuration on the console line 0. So let's do that right now, line console 0. And you have to use logging synchronous. So now Cisco will automatically wait for your command before displaying the error message. This makes the console much more comfortable to use. The next command is especially useful when working on labs. It's the exec-timeout command. It defines how long the console session can stay inactive before Cisco automatically logs us out. So you need to do the configuration on the console line 0, we are already there, using the exec-timeout command. You can specify how many minutes you want to wait and then how many seconds, which is optional. For example, you can put 30 minutes and 0 seconds. So if you are working on a lab and you need to take a short break or read the documentation, grab a cup of coffee, you won't be immediately logged out of the device. So everything you have changed so far will not affect Telnet or SSH connections. To apply the same configuration to remote access sessions, you need to use the same command on the VTY lines. So let's do that quickly. Enable conft line VTY 0 to 15, and here you can use the exact same command, logging synchronous, so you won't get interrupted by the Cisco message. Exec timeout 30 minutes 0 seconds to have more time before being logged out of the device. History size 20 to have access to more of the command you previously typed. And that was it. Now you will be able to work a bit faster on your lab. Thanks for watching.